All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time you're watching this particular video. So let's just skip the talk to talk and then do the walk to walk, right? All right. So first thing first, we're continuing today on our PLP journey. So let's log into. Oh, sorry. To our account. Okay, I guess there's a mistake here. So this should work. All right. So now, so this update is actually coming in very, very, very late now, and okay. So let's just do something. I have these. Okay, this is start of building. Blah blah blah. No. Okay. Let's do. Okay, let's do which one again? Okay, 67. I think these two are same, so maybe we should just do database then. Wait, I think I can't even remember where that cell this thing is, but there's no problem. Okay, so we're moving to week 6. Okay, so let's see if we've taken the quiz. Okay, no. All right, so you're all welcome to today's section once again. So, and we're now like approaching to take the quiz for want to take the SQL quiz, database management quiz. So we are given 5 questions and we have 15 minutes to answer it, and I know we are ready to answer the questions. Okay. So apologies, I had to stretch. Okay, so question 1, what does an inner join return? What does an inner join return? A, allow rows from the left table. B, allow rows from the right table. C, only rows with matching values in both values. D, allow rows from both tables. All right, so when we see the inner join here, when we see the inner join here, all right, so this is actually letting us know that we are meant, like, so we are meant to like only speak with the rows that are matching values in both values. All right, so it doesn't in, I think they are supposed to even say table safe, matching values in both tables, not values in both values. I hope this doesn't even get me in trouble. So now let me reduce this background sound so that this video won't even be copyright. They will not give a copyright and say maybe the song, I'm not supposed to use it or something. Okay, so as I was saying, so now it doesn't care about the left only or right only, so it pulls only the rows where like there's a match between both tables and on the join condition. Yeah, so so our most likely answer is C here, only rows with something there. Okay, now what does a left join return? A, only rows with matching values in both tables. B, all rows from the right table and matching rows from the left. C, all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right. D, all rows from both table. So the reason why I moved my mouse while I was reading option A was because, while I was reading this other one here, this previous question, I was talking about this, that it should be matching values in both tables, not in both values. Matching values in both tables. So, and as you guys can see, I was actually correct. I'm actually correct. I've been disconnected. My goodness. How come? I have to connect again. Okay, you're back online. Okay. So, why my connection is just disconnecting and connecting, disconnecting, connecting, disconnecting. What's wrong here? All right. So what does a left join return? Again, then A, only rows with matching values in both tables. B, allow rows from the right table and matching rows from the left. C, all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right. D, all rows from both tables. Okay, so now as I was explaining that this particular one here, then like the values in both tables was supposed to be tables, not matching values in both values. But well, now this says, what does the left join return? So it's actually very, I think it's selling itself already, saying left. So it's just like all rows from the left table matching rows from the right. I think I don't know what to even say, but he gave like these huge minutes for these cheap questions. Question 3. What does a right join return? Only rows with matching values in both tables. B, all rows from the right table and matching rows from the left. C, all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right. D, all rows from both tables. So this is very, very funny, because even the question itself is selling the answer already. So it actually allows all rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left. And let's see what it says here. Okay. What does a full outer join return? Only rows with matching values in both tables. All unmatched rows from the left table only. All unmatched rows from the right table only. All matched and unmatched rows from both tables. This is actually very, 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 very funny. So now here, the outer the full outer this thing actually matched, like all unmatched and unmatched. So it doesn't, it doesn't care, you get. So it's all match and unmatched for both tables, because the only rows with matching values is for inner join. Then unmatched from left is for left join, unmatched from right is for right join, and all matched and unmatched rows is for full outer join. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so the last but not the least question: why are aliases used in SQL joins? Why are aliases used in SQL joins? A, to increase query execution time. B, to make queries less readable. C, to simplify queries and resolve column name ambiguities. And D, to add more columns to the table. So just as I do say that most times you can predict an answer with how long with how long it is, like by how, I don't even know if it is with how long or by how long it is. Wait to What's wrong with my connection now? I just kept, like, I'm being disconnected and connected, disconnected and connected. All I do. Let me switch connection to another. Let me try to connect to my phone. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Because I don't understand what is going on. Okay, looks like it's working again. Okay, it's back again. Guess it's back again. So I hope the connection. I don't. Okay. So the question 5 again, I said, why are aliases used in SQL joins? To increase query execution time, B, to make queries less readable, C, to simplify queries and resolve column name and ambiguities, D, to add more columns to the table. So what's it called? The I've been saying it before that most of the time that the only reason, or the I say some answers rather, like some answers are selling themselves already, because if you look at some questions and then a particular answer out of all the answers given will be very 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 long, and it's actually definitely most times going to be the correct answer, because like I don't think, okay, I think in most cases they used to be, especially in PLP here, they have never been a situation where you see a long option like this and it's not the correct answer. So actually, so to you it's actually to simplify queries and resolve column name and ambiguity, so we can finish the quiz and then we passed 100%. So let's continue learning so we can do our project. So I'm not just going to read this, but I'm going to say very satisfactory and everything is very, right, very very and as very much as could be. All right, so we have our week 6 assignment submission guideline. I think this is same as always, submitted by Wednesday 10th. That's tomorrow. Okay. Okay. All right, click here to access the assignment. Access the assignment by clicking here. Who is who? Okay, if you are facing issues using this, let's see if we are going to face issues. Okay, we are not facing issues using it, so let's just jump right in. Okay, so this is, I really need this student developer pack. So if there's anyone watching this video and then you have a school Gmail to share, you can just share with me so I can just claim this pack. I have something important that I need to do and I really need access to it. Okay, so okay, let's see. Okay, yep, computer with internet access, blah blah blah, submission instruction, assignment. Okay, office code of all employees and okay. Chinese category product vendor. Okay. Production line from the product table. So let's join to combine the product table with the product line table using the product line column. Right, and SQL queries retrieve the order date, shipped date, status with customer number for the first 10 orders is a right join to combine yada yada yada. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is actually a very cheap question. So one thing now is this is going to be somewhat confusing, and the reason I said so is because this particular PC doesn't have most of my my details. All right, so which means I don't have access to the SailDB on this PC, and the VS Code here also is not connected yet. Doesn't have even a as in, it doesn't just have anything, right? So but I'm going to solve the questions. I'm going to solve the question, and we're going to submit. So it actually doesn't matter whichever way I'm doing this, because the other PC is, where is it? Okay, it's still here. It's still here, but the code that I'm using to connect my SSD cable to it is faulty. So it's definitely resting for now. And yeah, that's it. So because even if I want to record now, I need external storage because the inner storage is filled. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to bring up my VS Code, and I can use git bash directly, but let's just use VS Code to fulfill our righteousness. I'm just picking desktop folder. I have my desktop folder. Who sees the time? Oh, okay, the time is not correct here either. 4:15 a.m. Are you kidding me? The actual time is 12:15 p.m. Or has the clock reversed? What's the, because there's a cock crowing outside now. What's the current time in Nigeria? Somebody show me the time in Nigeria now. What's going on? 12:15. Where's one? It's 4:15 a.m. Understand. Okay. So let's see. Cancel. Which one is all these ones? Cancel, and well, oh god. Okay. Okay. So this is my desktop here. So I'm going to, as you guys know, I am a fan of git bash, so I'm going to use git bash. Okay. Going to git bash. Okay. So and then I'm just going to come here while my git bash is trying to prepare itself. So I'm going, okay, then I can say git clone then this. Then I'm going to hit enter. So we're going to look for this Wk-6 leveler king. Wk-6, let's move a leveler king, so it's here already. So I'm going to change my directory into this. So now that I've cloned it, I guess I can just ignore this and then focus here, full screen. Okay, so increase this a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to cd Wk-6, enter. There should be a readme there already, an answer.sql. All right, so code answer.sql, then readme.md, and then Okay, so we've opened this, guys. Now this is where our question is. Where's the first one? Now write an SQL yada yada yada. First of all, use SailDB, or was it sales or SailDB? Ah, God. Okay, I think there's no need to scream God, and just go back and check. So I'm going to duplicate this tab, then I can use this to go and check for other database. Something like, okay, let's just see the weak forces. Just check. I don't think I even used to add it. Like, I don't even used to add it. I just do it, bam, submit, bam, like that. Okay, there's no workflow to run for this one. Show more, scroll down, show more, scroll down, show more, scroll down, show more, and show more. Let's see. This is HTML, database week 1. Okay. Okay. Sales. Okay, sales DB. Sales DB. Yeah, sales DB. Okay, so which means I'm correct. Sales DB. Use sales DB, then I can my first this thing. So okay, I don't think I've installed that extension, have I? No, I haven't. Oh, sorry. So question 1. How fast I be safe, don't they do me? We need to quickly just do this and submit. Okay, that's question 1. Okay, so then the question 1 says write an SQL query to get first name, last name, email, office code of all employees. Then you use an inner join to combine employees table with office table using the office code. Okay, so select there. So I cannot say E. Okay. Or do I just okay, let me hide this first, okay? Okay. Yeah, so then so let me continue with what I'm doing. All right, so now I will now say employees and what was it? Their first name, right? First name, last name, email. So I just actually just read through now to confirm if what I want to do is actually correct. So I'm going to get their first name and then last name and then what's it called, email and blah blah blah. So first name, remember camel casing, very very essential. First name, so last let me bring you down. Oh, the E is not even. So last name, then I'm going to now you understand the point. So then I'm going to grab the email and okay, office code, email, and then office code. All right. Sorry, I'm supposed to. I'm okay. All right. So now, the reason why you're seeing this EEE is because I'm setting an aliases, like I'm setting an alias for it. All right. You remember it was in the question there, the alias there. So then I'm going to say from. Let me use the back keys so that it's more easier to tell apart. So from employees, E, just like this. And then I'm going to say, no, don't worry about him. E, then here, inner join. Then from here, I can now grab the offices. Yeah, offices, I still remember. Offices. Then I'm making the offices O. Offices O, then offices O. Why does this think? I don't want you to then I'm going to say E, then office code. Yeah, office code, thank you. So office code now will now be equals to O office code. Office code. So and E office code, O office code. Yeah. So this should work. To combine it. So offices, office code, and this one too. So it's been combined now. For the next one. So with this, actually this here is, the goal is actually to get the first name, last name, and email, the office code, and like the all employees. So the logic here is like the employees belong to an office, and then the link is the office code. So we only want employees that have like matching office. So that's why the employee details like and their office were grabbed, and then we ensure that only employees are linked to a valid office that will appear. All right. So now to the second one. Okay, write an SQL query to get product name, product vendor, product line, product. Okay, then use left join product line table, using the product line colon. Apologies, I'm feeling dizzy already, and I recently just wake up. Well, I feel like sleeping again. Okay, as usual, we're going to select. So I'm going to select product name. All right. So after selecting product name, I'm also going to I'm going to use alias. So product in product vendor, right? Wait to Yeah, products vendor, product line, and products. Okay, I'm still correct. Okay, then I'm going to do then product line. Yeah. Okay, so grabbing the product line, then grab them from thank you, from so products, grabbing them from my products P. So my product is P. Don't like this this thing. So what was it? It says use a left join to combine product table with the product line table using product line. Okay, this is very simple. Just do left join. Oh, left join. Then we'll call the product. Okay, product line. So product line. Then okay, now I can say product lines and give it PL so that I'll be able to use PL to call product line later on. Okay. No. Okay. So I can say this is product for product line. Product in product line. Remember, product line is different from product line. So product in product line equals product for, I think, why is my product lines? Okay, so product in product line and product lines in product line too. Yeah. Okay. So this is actually still very simple. So it's still almost the same thing. So the goal here is to get the product name, product vendor, product line, and then the logic is that every product belongs to a product line. So but some products may not have a matching record in product line. So the left join, we use it to keep all products. So even if they don't match in the product line, so then all the products now will show. So if a product has no match, it will still show up, but with null for the product lines. Apologies. Okay. Now, then let's move to 3. Okay. All right. Paste this. All right. Now, let's go through again. Let's go query to retrieve the order date, shipped date, status, and customer number from the first 10 orders. Then use a right here. Wait, read that one later first. Okay. Okay. As usual, I'm going to select. Then O. I'm going to use O in order date. Oh no, sorry. Can't be uppercase. Okay. O in order date. Then I can do O again. And I can do O in ship date. Let's see. Okay, double P. Shipped date. Then I can do O again. Sorry, in customer number. Then I'll be from customer Y customer C. Okay, now let's see. You see, let's combine the customer table with the order. use a custom. Okay. Yep. So from customer C, we'll say right join. We have to right join it. So right join others, which is the O. Okay. O like this. Others O. There. O. Okay, the others, and then I'm going to say on. Thank you. Uppercase on, then customer, thank you, number equals other customer number. So, and then remember, we are given a limit, very, very essential. We're given a limit of 10 orders. So limit, set limit to 10. And that's it. So the same thing again, we get the order date, shipped date, status, customer number, and wait. Yeah, it's correct. Status, yeah. Customer number and see, I just cram everything and I didn't do the status. I'm still mentioning it. Status. Okay, thank God I was even trying to like re-explain again. So we did the status and then we did customer number. Okay, so then we meant to grab their first 10 orders, right? So and then so the logic we use is that the orders belong to customers. So some orders may exist even if the customer's record is missing. So the right join now keeps all orders and then match them with customers when possible. So this actually will guarantee that we are going to see orders even if the customer record is not found. So we are still going to see the orders. And let's go to 4. Oh, sorry. I guess that's it. That's everything. So, and now that we've done this, so let me just bring back my terminal and yeah. So I know where's terminal? Sorry, new terminal. Oh, I've got. Okay. ls. Okay. So I'm just going to quit this. Okay. So git add. Then I'm going to do git init to just confirm that it's still it still remembers it. So it's going to say reinitialize existing git repo in blah blah blah. So then git add git commit, and I'm going to call this initial commit and then say my SQL Wk-6 task. All right, and then git push. Wait, looks like there is someone inside here. I'm coming, guys. You can. Okay, I'm hearing some strange sound inside my place here. Okay, so it's here. Now I'm just going to copy the code and submit, but please give me a few minutes. Let me just check. All right, so I guess we are done. So just going to grab this, copy, LP, finished assignment, like this, and submit. All right, so now I can unlock week 7. All right, so that's it for the end of week 6 database updates. So I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for sticking till the end, and yeah.